Okay, I told Hawaii Volcano Squad I wasn't going to do any garden videos this season. It just really wasn't looking good for the garden, but you can see this is where I covered the garden in leaves last fall, and what's poking through? Green onion. Lots and lots of green onion. So it is, what is today? April 13th? I think. I'm losing track of the days being furloughed here at home. But here's green onion from last year that just came up and through the leaves. Let's see if I can pull this. This is what happened last year. I ended up having some of these bulbs broke off. That's okay. They'll just grow back. So we're going to cut up some green onion for our pizza tonight, making homemade pizza. And I guess I will be making some gardening videos this year. This is my first one of the 2020 season, even though I am kind of limited this year because of the stay home, stay safe order with regard to the lawn and garden departments being closed. But here you go, HVS. I didn't say I was going to make the video, and here it is. Thanks for watching.